Breaking news out of Steeltown today as local butcher and musician Saul Butcher, owner of Sons of Butcher Quality Meats, is facing charges of homicide. He is now in custody after making a full confession. We now go live to a press conference with his janitor, Doug Borski.
Good morning. As his best friend, I can confidently say 100% that Saul Butcher is not a murderer. I mean he is, but only of animals, never humans. Never humans. At least knowingly. I mean, there was that one time in Winnipeg, but it was dark and icy, and who knows, right? I mean, you know, the way that guy rolled, I'm positive it's okay.
I have no idea what he's talking about. But listen, the only thing my brother's guilty of murdering is my riffs. The guy sounds like he's got hockey gloves on. He's terrible. So I'm using this newscast to announce to the world in the national stage that Saul Butcher is out of the band effective immediate. I've prepared a statement. Effective immediately, Sons of Butcher Quality Meats is now closed. Effective immediate. We instead invite all of you to the grand opening / rebranding of Sons of Butcher Quality Music. Yeah, that's right. Steeltown's first and only live music venue that's awesome. The first concert and show is our CD release party for the album No Justice, No Meat, brand new Sons of Butcher. It's dedicated to my brother Saul, who I'm telling you is not a murderer. He just sucks at guitar. Thank you. Oh, tickets on sale, tickets available online. Early bird pre-sale starts tomorrow morning. Promo code is MURDER. Tickets are gonna go fast, guys.